we'll talk about a little bit more solving equations about exponential equation or log equation. Okay, so let's go to exercise 8C. Sorry. Exercise 8C. That is on page 8.33. 8.33. So I would like to talk about some level 2 questions. Okay, so let's do 20. So I have assigned a homework to you, which is level 2 questions, multiple of 3. That is 21, 24, 27, up to where? So I think it should be, yes, 42. Homework. Should be 21. Starting from 21. Okay, so 8 questions, and please hand in on next Monday. Okay, this is homework. And then today for the classwork, we are going to do the remaining questions from level 2. That should be 22, 23, 25, 26, and then 28, 29, 31, 32, 34, 35, 37, 38, and then 40, 41, and 43. Okay, so I would like to talk about those questions. 咁咧，我會一路講噶啦，咁就唔俾時間你哋做噶啦，咁樣樣，咁你就可以一路嗱，我會慢速，即係唔會高速咁講，咁啊，希望大家可以一見到題目咧，就即係可以知道點樣做 ，OK， 咁跟住咧就可以一做完之後咧，跟住就到我講嘅時候咧就 check 答案咁樣樣 ，OK。So 睇下 work 唔 work 啊？咁啊，如果講太快嘅話咧，就講俾我聽，冇問題嘅。但係咧，希望我哋最終目標咧就希望你可以咧，即係快過我而家講緊嘅速度咁解嘅啫，得唔得？咁啊 ，Number 22。This is the type of exponential equation. So that is the x is in the index, okay? And then we will try to change the base to be the same number, okay? And then we may delete the base and then just write down the indexes, okay? So we have base 3 and base 9, and that is good because we can change the 9 to be 3 squared, okay? And then we use the laws of index to simplify the index on the right-hand side, which becomes 2 times 4 minus 2 times x. That's like this. When both sides are of the same base numbers, then we may delete the base. Just write down the indexes, okay? It's like this. And then just solve for x. That is the answer. And 23. 繼續咯噃，嗱未跟到就出聲啊！ Okay. Again, the left-hand side is just one base number, one index. That is good. But right-hand side is one number, one index, also good. But the base are not equal. Okay. And we know that the 8 can be changed to 2 to the power 3. And the 1 over number can be changed to negative index. So left-hand side is unchanged. And then we will make the 8 to be 2 to the power negative 3. Okay, 2 to the power negative 3. Okay, and then to the power 2 minus x. And then using the law of index to multiply the indexes together, and we will get negative 6 plus 3x. Okay. So when both sides are of the same base, then we may delete the base. Just write down the indexes. 2x is equal to negative 6 plus 3x. And then add the x to the left and minus, subtract 2x to the right. So we will find x is equal to 6. That is the answer. 25. Okay, so 4 to the power x times 8 to the power 4 minus x, different bases. So, but we know that the 4 and the 8 can both be changed to a power of 2. So it's like 2 squared to the power x times 2 cubed to the power 4 minus x is equal to 1. Okay, and then just use the laws of index. 2x and then times 2 to the power 12 minus 3x. And then we add the indexes together on the left. It's 2x plus 12 minus 3x. And the right-hand side, the 1, can also be changed to a power of 2. Okay, so the 0 power of any base number is equal to 1, right? So the 1 can be changed to the 0 power of any base number. But this time, of course, we are going to use 2 as the base number to the power 0. Okay? And then it becomes 2 to the power 12 minus x is equal to 2 to the power 0. So we can just write the index. And then x is 12. You get this? Yes, so that's correct. And then 26. Three times 9 to the power x is equal to 27 to the power x over 2 plus 1. 就算其實佢嘅次方幾複雜都好咧，我哋望到啲 base 全部都係3、9、27，我哋就知道可以將啲 base 全部化做同一個3嘅次方咁樣啦。Okay, the 3 no change first, and then 9 is changed to 3 squared, and then power x, and then 27 can be changed to 3 cubed. And then power x over 2 plus 1. Okay? And then we use the laws of index step by step. Okay? This 3 unchanged. And this 3 becomes power 2x. And then this 3 will have 3x over 2 plus 3. Okay? And on the left hand side, we still have 3 times 3 to the power 2x. But the first 3 has a power 1. When they are multiplied together, it becomes 1 plus 2x, okay? And then 3 to the power 3x over 2 plus 3. And now both sides becomes one single base number to the power, okay? Then we may delete their bases together, okay? Just write down their indexes. 1 plus 2x is equal to 3x over 2 plus 3, okay? And then just move the x term to the left and move the number to the right. And we will have x over 2 is equal to 2. And then just multiply the 2 to the right. We'll get x equals 4. Is that okay? 28.好啦，嗱，記住啊。兩個數嘅次方相加相減係冇任何 loss of index 可以處理到嘅 ，OK， 冇任何 loss of index 可以處理到嘅。咁所以我要點做咧？不過好彩左手邊咧兩個數都係 base 4嘅嘛。咁又係咧，我哋之前咧喺第7課咧做嗰條題目咧都教咗你哋㗎啦。我將呢個4 to the power x minus 2 becomes 4 to the power x times 4 to the power negative 2. Okay, and then minus 4 to the power x is equal to negative 15. And then when you write the terms like this, you will find that there is a common factor 4 to the power x, which can be taken out. Okay, so it becomes 4 to the power negative 2 minus 1. Right hand side, no change. And this 4 to the power negative 2 minus 1 is a pure number. So you may use the calculator to help you to calculate the value first. And it becomes negative 15 over 16, right? Okay. And then you just multiply the 16 to the right and divide the negative 15 to the right, and leaving the 4 to the power x on the left, and you'll find that it should be equal to 16. Okay, but 16 can be written as 4 squared. So now we can express both sides as a power of 4. Therefore, we can delete the base number 4 and just write down the index x equals 2. That is the answer for x. All right. Then 29. 29 seems similar. Okay. So we have base number of 6. Okay, but we have index x minus 1 and index x. So we split the x minus 1 into 6 to the power x times 6 to the power negative 1. And then minus 6 to the power x. And we will subtract the 30 to the right. It becomes minus 30. Okay, and then take out the common factor and write down the remaining factor, which is 6 to the power negative 1 minus 1. Okay, and then the remaining factor is a pure number. So you may use the calculator to calculate the value for you. Okay, I think it should be equal to negative 5 over 6, right? And then multiply the 6 to the right and divide the negative 5 to the right, and you'll get 6 to the power x to be equal to 36. So 36 will be written as 6 squared. And finally, you can delete the base number and find that x is equal to 2. It's okay? Oh, so up to now, is there any problem? Anyone who cannot follow? 有邊題講得太快，需要講多次或者未抄得切嘅？有冇咧？ Please remember to upload to the Met app. Okay. Good， 好多同學都已經做 upload 咗啦。好，繼續咯噃。另外一種嘅題目啦，跟住啊 ，next page. So 31. 31. 7 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 1 minus x. 好，但呢度咧，嗱，記住啦。呢度咧，我哋係唔能夠將兩個 base number 化做同一個 base number 係咪啊 ？Okay, so one base is 7, the other is base 3. We cannot change the base numbers to be the same one. Okay, so we will use log. We will take log on both sides. Okay, and then we will have method 1 and method 2. Method 1 is the method shown in the textbook solution. You will take log on the very first step, okay, to bring down the x first. But method 2 will be my method. I will keep the x in the index and using the loss of index to pack all the x terms to one term first. Okay, so I try to use my method again. Okay. So this 7 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 1 over 3 to the power x, right? And then multiply the 3 to the power x to the left, leaving 3 on the right. Because both terms are having power x, so we may take out the power x like this. It becomes 21 to the power x equals 3. 咁通常咧就會整到一個數嘅 x 次方等於另一個數。呢一個 step 我先會 take log 嘅 ，OK？log left hand side is equal to log right hand side. Okay? Why do we need to take log? Because when we have taken log, the x in the index can be brought down to the front of the log, multiplying to the log. Okay, so that is x times log 21 is equal to log 3. Okay, and then when it is multiplied, I mean when the x is multiplied by log 21, then we can divide the log 21 to the right hand side to get the answer of x. Okay, so x is equal to log 3 over log 21. Finally, you use the calculator to find the answer for you. It should be log 3 and then divided by log 21 should be 0.361. Okay, and this number is correct to 3SF. Is that okay? And then third two. Four to the power x plus 1 is equal to 5 to the power 2 minus x. And again, I'm going to use my method where to split 4 to the power x times 4 to the power 1. Okay, is equal to 5 to the power 2 over 5 to the power x. Okay, and then I group all the terms with x to one side and all the terms without x to the other side. So 4 to the power x times 5 to the power x is equal to 5 squared over 4. Okay, and then we take out the power x, and then it is 25 over 4. And so it's 20 to the power x becomes equals to 25 over 4. Now it's one number to the power x equals the other number. Then we may take log. Log left hand side is equal to log right hand side. Okay, to take the log, the effect is to bring down the x. Okay, x log 20 is equal to log 25 over 4. And then we just divide the log 20 to the right hand side. Like this, finally, use the calculator to help you to find the answer. So log 25 over 4 divided by log 20 is equal to 0.612. So x is 0.612. And this number is correct to 3SF. It's okay? 繼續 34， 好，繼續複雜啲嘅。3 times 7 to the power 2x minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 2x. Okay. Again, I will use my method. So 3 times. So this becomes 7 to the power 2x over 7 to the power 1. And right hand side is 2 to the power 2x. Okay. And this becomes 3 over 7 times 7 to the power 2x, right? It's equal to 2 to the power 2x. Okay? 嗱，今次咧，我陣先講啦。And then we will divide the 7 to the power 2x to the right hand side, 2 to the power 2x over 7 to the power 2x. And because both up and down are of power 2x, then we may take out the power 2x to be 2 over 7 power 2x. Okay? 跟住係咪一個數嘅 2x 次方等於另一個數？又可以落啦。So log 3 over 7 is equal to log 2 over 7 to the power 2x. And then we can bring down the 2x. It's equal to 2x times log 2 over 7. This time we have a 2 here. So we just divide the 2 to the left hand side. Okay? And making x to the subject, it becomes log 3 over 7 divided by 2 log 2 over 7. Okay? And this is a pure number. So you may use the calculator to help you to find the answer. Let me see. Should be 0.338. 3SF. So that is the answer. 得唔得 ？35. 5 to the power x plus 3 is equal to 20 times 1.5 to the power 6x minus 1. Okay? 咁都係咁做啦，係嘛？5 to the power x times 5 to the power 3 is equal to 20 times, this becomes 1.5 to the power 6x divided by 1.5 to the power 1. Okay? And then keep the x terms to the left and then the numbers to the right. Okay, so we have 5 to the power x divided by 1.5 to the power 6x. Okay, is equal to 20 divided by 1.5 times 5 cube. Can you get this? 係嘛？調過去嘅話咧，本身喺分子調過去就調去分母，本身喺分母乘過去就乘翻去分子嗰度，就係咁嘅啫。咁不過咧呢個小心啲啦，呢個1.5嘅6x 次方上面係就咁 x 次方嘅啫，所以咧我要將佢變成咁樣樣先。5 to the power x, no change, and this becomes 1.5 to the power 6 and then to the power x. OK， 咁我呢度陣間先撳機啦，唔撳住啦。And then both numbers are of the power x on the left hand side. So I'm going to take out the power x like this. 5 divided by 1.5 to the power 6 and then to the power x is equal to 20 over 1.5 times 5 cubed. Okay. So the base number is a pure number and the right hand side is a pure number. So I am ready to take log. Log this number to the power x is equal to log this number. Okay, and then x is brought to the front of the log. And finally, the x will be divided to the left hand side. Okay. 咁可以唔寫嘅呢啲，不過我想寫埋俾你睇個 step 咁解嘅啫。Finally, you just use the calculator carefully. Okay, so log 20 divided by bracket 1.5 times 5 cubed. Answer, enter, and then answer divided by log 5 divided by 1.5 to the power 6. So that should be 2.72. 記住自己撳一撳機喎，因為咧有啲同學咧其實所有 step 都做得啱嘅，不過撳機一啲複雜嘅計算機咧就硬係會撳錯解嘅啫。OK， 要撳到嗰個model answer 為止啊，呢啲得唔得？如果唔係嘅話咧，就記得問翻我點樣撳啦。OK， 好，整多幾題先。37 solving log equation。好啦。 有 log 嘅話咧，記住我哋揾完答案之後就要 check 答案嘅。OK， 呢題仲係麻煩啲嘅，就係 different bases。But luckily, one base is 3, the other base is 9, where the 9 can be changed to 3 square. But we are going to do this first. Changing base. Okay, log x over log 9. The two logs will have a new base, and the new base should be chosen as base 3. Okay, and then this is no change. We know that log 9 can be written as log 3 square, where the square can be brought to the front. And log 3 base 3 will be equal to 1. Okay, so finally it will be just 2 here. And two terms on the left are like terms. 1 log x plus half log x becomes 3 over 2 log x base 3. and then multiply the 2 to the right and divide the 3 to the right, and you'll get log x base 3 equals 2. And left hand side is one single log, but right hand side is just a number. So we are going to multiply a 1 to this, and the 1 will be changed to log a base a, where the base is chosen to be 3. Then we may put the 2 back to the index of the log, okay, 3 squared. When both sides are everything inside the log, we may delete the log, okay? And then x is equal to 9. And you need to check whether 9 is okay when it is put back to the original equation, okay? Will it have math error? No, it is okay. So 9 is an answer. OK， 好，今日講唔晒，我哋聽日翻嚟繼續講。Okay, so I will continue to talk about this exercise tomorrow, and then I will talk about the applications of log tomorrow. Okay, so if there is no more problem, then that is the end of this lesson, and you may leave now. Goodbye.
老師，
係，
可唔可以 check 一 check WhatsApp？我呢家 send 俾你。
好啊，好啊。
我係想問35題點解我咁樣計唔到嘅
35題，我望先。應該計到嘅。
但係就我撳機嘅時候撳唔到個答案咯。
咩咧？我撳一次先啊。
我撳到1.7333，1.73329。
我望先，我都係撳到呢個。你嗰個咪見唔見到後面咧有個減3 log 5㗎？
減3
log 5，減3 log 5，見到啊？之前嗰個係咪加 log 1.5啊？嗰個應該係減嚟嘅，減 log 1.5嚟嘅。
哦，
係咪？
哦，係啊係啊，好啊 ，thank you。
OK， 好，拜拜。
拜拜。
老Sir，我有嘢想問。
係。
喺呢度，可唔可以做一做18？唔係8 dot 嘅第18條。
8 dot 嘅第18條。
係啊，我想睇晒老Sir你會點樣寫個 step 出嚟。
好啊，你等陣先啊。
唔該，老Sir。
dot intensity level 嗰題係嘛？先。
係啊。
Okay. 嗱，我哋有一個係都係用翻呢條公式啦 ，D 等於log 係咪 I over I not I over I not 咁樣㗎
？10 log I over I
有個10添，係啦，咁樣。OK， 咁有呢條啦，咁個 D 就係個intensity level 啦，跟住個 I 就係 intensity 嚟嘅。咁而家咧，佢就係 compare 緊兩個嘅 intensity 嘅，睇先啊。 嗱，即係我咁樣寫嘅個 original 嘅 intensity 就係 I 一 ，OK， 跟住 original 嘅 intensity level 就係等於 D 一咁樣 ，OK， 咁跟住咧 new 就係等於 I two， 呢啲你可以唔使寫嘅，即係我係咁樣話俾你聽咁解嘅啫，即係 let 嗰啲嘢 define 嗰啲嘢咧可以唔使寫嘅 ，OK。咁咧sorry 呢一個咧個 D1 咧 D1 即係原本嗰個咧應該係個 D 嚟嘅 ，OK， 佢話 after the intensity level D of a sound is increased by 50%係咪？咁原本嗰個就係 D 啦，咁新嗰個咧係咪應該係 D 乘以括弧1加50% 咁樣 ？OK， 咁即係 1.5 D 啦呢度 ，OK。好啦，咁我有咗呢一樣嘢先，然之後咧佢就問你啦，唔係，仲有喎，sorry， 仲有呢度啊，仲有咧佢話當嗰個intensity level increase by 50% 之後咧，個 new intensity 就係 10 times the original。呢一個咧 new intensity 係咪即係 I two 就會等於10倍 I one 咁樣樣？呢度 OK 嘅嗬？嗱，呢個咧就係題目而家咧現有嘅資料啦。舊嘅 D 就係 D 啦，跟住新嘅 D 就係 1.5 D， 舊嘅 I 就係 I one， 新嘅 I 就係10倍 I one 咁樣樣。OK， 好啦，咁如果咁嘅話咧，我哋將舊嘅 situation 擺翻入去嘅話咧，係咪應該係 D 等於10 log I one over I zero 咁樣樣？ OK， 咁我呢個叫做一式先。然之後咧，我哋將新嘅 situation 亦都擺落去，新嘅 D 就係 1.5 D， 就會等於10乘以 log 新嘅 I 就係10個 I one，OK， 然之後 over I zero 咁樣樣 ，OK， 咁我哋將呢個咧就變成 equation 2咁樣樣。好啦，跟住咧，我就會將 equation 2 減 equation 1。咁左手邊咧係咪 1.5 D 減1個 D， 即係剩翻 0.5 個 D。右手邊咧咁就慢慢嚟啦，10個 log 10 I one over I zero 減10個 log I one over I zero 咁樣樣。OK， 跟住左手邊唔變住。呢度咧，我哋係咪可以將佢變成咧係10 log 10加 log I one over I zero， 之後減10 log I one over I zero 咁樣樣，即係咧我將個10 I 1 over I 0咧，將佢睇做10乘以分數，咁 log 裏邊相乘嘅話咧，就可以變成兩個 log 相加咁樣樣。OK， 好啦，咁我拆一拆括號嘅話咧，10呢個 log 10即係變1啦，係嘛？跟住再加10個 log I one over I zero， 減翻10個 log I one over I zero， 啱啱好咧，呢兩個 terms 咧就會係互相 cancel 咗嘅。咁我而家成式係得翻啲咩咧？0.5 D 咧係等於10嘅，係咪？咁跟住除翻個 0.5 過去嘅話咧，我就會計到個 D 咧應該等於20噶啦。咁呢一個咧就係 part A 嘅答案啦。明唔明白？明白嗬。嗱，叫呢啲係唔使寫嘅，即係呢一紮叻嗰一紮咧係唔使寫嘅，可以唔使寫嘅。不過咧，你寫埋出嚟嘅話咧係會好就會清楚好多咁樣樣。咁我哋就會通常咧，如果有一啲改變嘅話咧，我哋就會用個 old values 跟住 new values 咁樣列咗出嚟先。咁 old values 嗰啲嘅未知數咧 就會代翻入去條式度，因為佢係符合呢條式嘅，咁就會列到一式啦。New values 嗰一紮嘅數字咧，或者未知數咧，又會代翻入去嗰條式同一條式嗰度。OK， 咁佢會出到二式咁樣樣，咁跟住 solve 下咧，就會 solve 到我哋要揾嘅嘢咁樣噶啦。OK， 得唔得？
我 part boy 咧係咪計咗個 original intensity level 先？original intensity， 跟住再將20乘2嘅話，就計翻去新嗰個，之後就睇翻係咪幾多倍。
先啊，係啦，即係我哋計咗，如果個 D 我哋係用嗱，因為咧 part boy 同埋 part A 咧應該你可以用翻 part A 嘅，即係個 D 咧就係20啦，係嘛 ？OK， 跟住如果 increase by 100% 嘅話咧，咁咪即係變咗個40咯。咁如果係個 D 係20嘅話，其實你可以計翻個 I1出嚟係幾多，然之後咧個 D 增加咗100% 嘅話咧，咁你可以計翻個 新嘅 I2出嚟，睇下係幾多。然之後咧睇下嗰個 I1同埋 I2咧係咪即係20倍嘅關係 ？OK， 咁如果係嘅話咧，咁就答 yes 啦。唔係20倍嘅關係嘅話咧，就答 no 咁樣樣。OK， 因為咧呢兩個 D 同埋兩個 D 其實都係有數字嘅，可以計到出嚟嘅，得唔得？
唔該晒，老師。
OK， 好，拜拜。
拜拜。
係。